These are the prettiest boho curtains. They are, I want to say like a linen. I have the 52 by 84 here. They're on like a patio door. I like the grommet style top, and they go down just to the floor. Very pretty with the light. Very, very pretty. They are sheer, so you definitely get a lot of light filtered in. The metallic pattern is just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. But why I like these, the style and the texture. I love the texture. I love the gold. I like that they have the light filtering. With the patio door, we do have the big shades, so these are very beautiful. So easy to hang. The 1.6 inch grommet made it very easy to hang, and they move very nicely. Each package has 2 panels, and I did purchase 2 packages to complete the look. But would I buy again? Absolutely, absolutely. These are a great fit for any room. They're gorgeous, gorgeous. Highly recommend.